subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Vivo has officially launched 3 new flagship smartphones under X series in China called Vivo X70, X70 Pro and X70 Pro Plus. Among these 3, the Vivo X70 Pro Plus is the higher variant with more features. Talking about the specifications, the Vivo X70 Pro Plus features a 6.78-inch Ultra HD AMOLED display with up to 120Hz refresh rate, and it has a tall 92.22% screen-to-body ratio. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 Plus chipset, paired with Adreno 660 GPU, and it packs with 8 or 12GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 256 or 512GB of UFS 3.1 storage. As per the camera, the Vivo X70 Pro Plus supports a SAS-powered quad camera setup in a large rectangular module at the top left corner that includes a 50MP main camera with f1.57 aperture plus 48MP ultra-wide-angle lens with 114° field of view plus 12MP portrait lens with f1.6 aperture and a 8MP periscope telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom support. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 8K videos at 30 frames per second, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording. For selfies, it has an 32MP camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.45 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 11 with Origin OS skin on top, and it is backed by a large 4500 mAh battery that supports 55 watts wired and 50 watt wireless charging. Additionally, the smartphone also features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP68 certified for dust and water resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, NFC, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.54 by 75.21 by 8.89mm, and it weighs around 209 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Vivo X70 Pro Plus has been priced in China for 8GB plus 256GB storage variant at 5,499 Chinese yuan, while the 12GB plus 256GB storage model is priced at 5,999 Chinese yuan, and the higher variant with 12GB plus 512GB storage option is priced at 6,999 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is said to be available soon for purchase in the country in black, blue and orange color options. So what do you guys think of this Vivo X70 Pro Plus smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys now next video.